and 3 lines here. Did you see that? Excellent. Now, I want you to draw a circle, draw another circle, draw another circle, and take all these 3 circles. I'm just going to attach them to each other because I don't want to make a mess here. And I'll draw a line to form one single nerve. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do today is give you nice, beautiful, gorgeous mnemonics so that you can understand. Instead of memorize, you memorize how to draw it, but remember you have to know how to draw the skeleton, right? Before you understand how things are working. So the first thing I want you to realize is we're going to take these 3 pieces and call it the LTN. That's called the long thoracic nerve. What nerve, what muscle does the long thoracic nerve innervate? Oh, wait a minute, I think I know it. Oh, it's the serratus anterior muscle right here. So, here's my challenge. This is how you actually remember. It's by clinical application. A patient's going to come to your office and like, Doc, you know, I've been having problems putting my hands over my head to comb in the morning. I can't really reach anything under the shelf. You know why? Because if their long thoracic nerve is damaged, right here is your serratus anterior muscle. And if you just want to see, I made some anatomy videos so you actually see how it works. But what it actually does is it pulls your scapula all the way and allows you to actually abduct right above your head. Can you see that? Literally, for you to actually move your hand, you don't understand, you have to actually move 15 degrees, another 180, about 270, all the way down. See that? If that's not working, what you tell them to do is, okay, I want you to push against the wall. And literally you tell them to push against the wall, and you see the scapula literally pointing at you like, bam! It's called wind scapula, baby. So if you get a long thoracic nerve dysfunction, which I'm just going to erase this bottom part because, you know, we don't really need it. Right? Serratus anterior. And you get a wing scapula. It's not chicken wings, but you can call it that if you want. Wing scapula, literally. Now, we're done with one nerve. That's all you need. I'm telling you, on your test, this is classic on the board to USMLE, complex exam, even second year medical students, first year, anywhere, classic. You can't get better than that. Long thoracic nerve. We're done with one. Let's move to the next nerve. There's a dorsal scapular nerve here. I'll call it DS. Dorsal means your back and your scapula. It's very easy, right? So something is attaching to your scapula to keep them together. So when I tell you to do this, right, kind of retract your scapular, there's this bunch of muscles back there that's actually holding them and pulling them together. It's called your rhomboids major and your rhomboids minor. Know that. Is there any clinical applications? No. Sucks for him, but hey, it's a lot more better things on board. The next line, I'm going to call it SS. And SS stands for supra, means above spinatus nerve. Supraspinatus nerve innervates what muscle? I don't know. You know what? If it's called suprascapular, I gave it away. Oh, yeah, I have it. Suprascapular, right? If it's suprascapular, it must be above the scapular. It's innervating your supraspinatus. But, you know what? It's center branch and actually innervates your infraspinatus also. You got $2. Buy one, get one free. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Now, the next guy, it's called lateral pectoral nerve. If there's a lateral pectoral nerve, because this is the lateral aspect, which I actually forgot to tell you. And when I mean lateral, you know, if you look at your hands, this will be the lateral, this will be the middle, right? Medial aspect. So lateral aspect, which is right here, and there will be a medial pectoral nerve. Medial pectoral nerve and the lateral pectoral nerve innervates what? You ever seen those guys? Work it. Yeah, big chest. So your pectoralis major. And the medial pectoral nerve by itself innervates your pect minor. Any clinical significance? No, I know, it sucks. But, hey, if the nerve is not working, what will happen? Your pect, in my anatomy, I love mnemonics, it's your fam, right? F-A-M. Pect is my fam. Where did I get that from? Fam? Family? Family! How do? You hug your family, right? Using your chest. Pectoral is major. So fam means you have to flex your hand. You see that? Flexion. Adduct. Immediately rotate your humerus to actually do that. By your pectoral major. But is there any clinical significance? No. So, but that's a beautiful mnemonic. Remember that. Are we feeling this? Can you see how I kind of try to understand things? It's kind of repetition. Now, let's get to the bread and the butter. There's upper, right, subscapular and lower subscapular nerve. Gee, what could that be doing? If there's upper and there's lower, what are they innervating? They must be innervating something in the scapula. The subscapularis muscle. That's right. That's what they innervate. You got to know that. They call themselves subscapulars. That means sub means under the scapula. Tell me what muscle is right under your scapula. You know, right under there. It's your subscapularis muscle. Anatomy can't get better than that, guys. It's not hard. But in the middle, I kind of use TD. Thoraco-dorsal. Thoraco-dorsal nerve. Right? And what does your thoraco-dorsal nerve innervate? I wonder if you know. Well, I'll take a guess. But it is the lumbar, right? You have your latissimus dorsi muscle right at the thoracolumbar area. So they call it thoraco because it's thoracic. Because your lumbar goes from your, like, around T4, almost T4 all the way down to about L3, L2 before you get the thoracolumbar fascia, right? Let me kind of just make a little schematic right there. You got your right here, and there's a little diamond-shaped thoracodorsal. That's your thoracic. That's your latissimus dorsi, which is innervated by your thoracodorsal, because your dorsal is your back nerve. Right? So, what does the latissimus dorsal actually do? Did you guys actually notice like it looks like your hand? Let me see if I can make this out for you guys. And there's another hand here. I know you, but this guy's like the most silliest guys I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, I am. You know why? Because I try to make things funny. And I try to make them fun. Look, it looks like that. So, packed looks like you're trying to, please, can I get some food? So it's called meal. M-E-A-L. Where did I get that from? That means this muscle medially rotates, extends my hand, adduct baby, and it's the lats. That's how you remember it. I told you brachial plexus is easy. Nobody just tells you how to really gonna get around it. And that's what I'm trying to do here, guys. Alright. Now, is there any clinical correlation with that? No, I know. Not all of them are really fun, but we're getting there. Are you on point? Good. Over here, there's the medial.
Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot. Are you studying for the USMLE Step 1 or Step 2? Are you studying for the NCLEX or you're currently in nursing school as a nursing student? Are you a PA student currently in school or studying for your PANCE exam? Or are you a nurse practitioner student or trying to take your NP board exam? Listen, I've got super awesome content for you. If you truly love this video and it simplified your learning process, I want you to check out my website below. I've listed all the list of exams, whether you're studying for any of this board exam, and all I want you to do is click on the link right now below so that you can take you directly to my website. For USMLE, just go to smashusmle.com. For NCLEX, go to crushNCLEX.com. And if you're studying for the PANCE exam, the nurse practitioner exam, or you're studying for your internal medicine board exam, just click below and it'll take you directly to ftplectures.com. Listen, I can't wait to help you. If you need to get in touch with me, just get to my website, you're able to reach me directly, and we can work together one-on-one. Listen, you're super awesome, and my goal here is to help your dream come true. If you want to be a doctor, want to be a nurse practitioner, a registered nurse, or physician assistant, I'm here to help you get to that next level. With your medical knowledge, let's save the world together. I love you guys. You guys are super awesome, and do not forget to click on the link below to be able to get to my website. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Let's go.